Doctor, please listen to me.
Yes, please, how may I help you?
Doctor, please look this.
Don't worry, dear. This is sticky eye condition and it is very common among children. I will explain you about this condition and don't worry, it will be cured soon. First of all, what is sticky eyes? If your baby's eye is very watery and there is some discharge, this eye is known as sticky eye. Then causes first and major cause of sticky eyes is infection. The second major cause is allergic reactions in eyes. Very rare it is due to the something irritating the conjunctiva, such as a loose eyelash. Now very carefully listen about the symptoms. Excessively watery discharge, yellow discharge, itchy eyes, and inability to fully open your eyes. Now, my dear patient, listen very carefully about treatment. If your sticky eyes are the result of a bacterial infection, your doctor may prescribe antibiotic eye drops or ointments. If you're experiencing sticky eyes from common allergies or a cold, over-the-counter, OTC, medication and antihistamines can help eliminate symptoms.
Thank you so much, doctor. I must follow your advice and must subscribe the channel. Biology in Seconds.